Hello everyone. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing Stitching Mall channels. You can watch all these videos on Stitching Mall Hindi Urdu channel. In this video, we are making a Mandarin Chinese collar and these are the measurements you can note down by pausing this video. The fabric you'll be needing about 2 meters. Take 2 layers of fabric, the back side out, fold it. The folded side would be towards you. 1 inch back neck, 7.5 for the armhole, 14.5, 21.5 and the total length plus 1.5. Extend these markings out. The chest line is chest divided by 4 plus half inch, waist divided by 4 plus half inch, and hip divided by 4 plus quarter of an inch. Bottom line is same as hip line or 2 inch more. Join these markings. Basically, I'm showing you this drafting just for the neck markings. This is 3 inch wide and 1 inch deep. Shoulder plus half inch, that is 7.5. On chest line, go 1 inch inside. Join it from the shoulder. 1 inch down on the shoulder slope. Join it from the neck. Middle of this line, shape the armhole, front and back. Front neck 3 inch deep. Give it shape. On the side, I'm taking 2 inch for the side seams. On the stitching line, press with a pressing wheel or the marking wheel, and here we cut on the outer lines. The purpose of this video is just to show you how this dress is cut, so that in the later next video I can show you how I made the Chinese or Mandarin collar. From the bottom the fabric is joined, cut it and separate. Here we have 2 pieces. I separate the inside one and give a shape to the armhole and cut the front neckline. For the button placket or a hook placket, I make a cut about 2 inch deeper than the chest line, and I took this brocade fabric of 3 inch width and the length is 2 inch more than the length of our cut on the dress. We need 2 pieces for the placket. I have this extra fabric and I just simply cut it straight, and at the time of stitching I'll show you how I used it. Right now we cut the sleeves. So fold the fabric lengthwise and back side of the fabric out. Take 2 inch more than the length of your sleeve that you want. Armhole same as you have taken on the dress, 3 inch inside. Leave 1 inch from top and mark a slanting line. Bottom of the sleeve is 5.5, but you can keep it more or as per your liking. Join all these both these markings. See, if you don't have tools, then you can check the description box. I'll give a link to Stitching All page, that is latest design page. There you can check out the latest designs for the dresses, as well as you can check the tools for your stitching and cutting. Now we cut this thing. If you have any doubt related to it, because I've explained this simple cutting many times, so I'm not explaining too much. But if this is what I think, I don't know. So still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the below section. And very soon I'll be sharing the Mandarin Chinese stitching video. Stay subscribed and keep watching. Take care. Goodbye.